Alright everyone, today here we have a brass NuTone Verandah Deluxe ceiling fan from 1984. I got this fan for free last year at a job from a previous employer. This was part of a kitchen renovation, big job, but the homeowners wanted some additional lights put in like elsewhere in the house, and this fan was originally installed in this open living sunroom kind of area. That got replaced with a Hunter. I'm not fully sure what model it was, but this was taken down, that was put up, and I got to take it home. So that was really nice. As you can tell, this one has a different mounting means. Unlike my first video with the white and polished brass Verandah Deluxe, this one has what looks to be a normal NuTone mounting means, I'm supposing. However, the bracket is kind of cracked. It's just made out of simple, cheap pot metal. And as everyone knows, pot metal is obviously not the best metal for mounting means or for brackets or anything, because it's really flimsy and brittle and it cracks really easily. But everything you see to the fan is 100% original to the fan. The fan came fully complete. And just like my other Verandah Deluxe, this one has the same exact pull chain sequence with very low speed. As you can tell by the knob, it's variable speed as well. It's pretty much the same exact fan as my other one, except it's just a different finish and has different blades overall. I can tell something must be loose with the motor. I'm not fully sure if it's the flywheel itself or something else, but whenever it runs, you can definitely hear loud vibrating coming from what feels like inside the switch housing. And I even took the bottom plate off and tightened the the hexagon nut that's inside that holds the switch housing in place, but that didn't even eliminate it, so I'm not entirely sure what it is. But the entire switch housing is still a tad bit shaky. I noticed that seems to be a common thing amongst a lot of NuTone ceiling fans, is that the switch cap or the switch housing doesn't fully stay tightened. There's always like a little bit of looseness to it. I'm not fully sure why that is, but that beats me. But other than that, the fan fully works and it's fully functional. So now we'll go ahead and give it a demo. Alright, and there you have it. Thank you very much for watching and hope you enjoyed.